Welcome to Omnibasis how-to videos. In this how-to video you will learn how to launch your cryptocurrency on Omnibasis without writing a single line of code. OmniChain is a blockchain-as-a-service solution that enables businesses and professionals, large and small, to launch a full-featured blockchain application. In minutes you can define and launch your cryptocurrency on the blockchain and use built-in wallet to transact. Omnibasis has all you need to build and run blockchain applications across multiple industries and connected devices without any development needed and no monthly fees. For the ultimate guide to creating your own cryptocurrency without writing a line of code, visit our blog on omnibasis.com. Now let us get started with this video tutorial. The first step is to define your digital currency or cryptocurrency. Navigate to OmniLedger, select Currencies, and select Create from Action menu in the top right corner. 1. Give your currency a new code, symbol, and unit. We will call it crypto. 2. If you are creating your digital currency, it cannot be divisible at this level. Decimal points must be 0. 3. Give it an optional description. 4. Select Require approval of new user accounts in this currency to manually approve all new accounts in this currency. In the next step, we create digital currency on the blockchain. On Omnibasis, digital currency or cryptocurrency represented by a divisible asset that can be tracked on blockchain. A divisible asset is an asset that has a fixed number of sub-assets linked to it. This means that when you create a digital currency or cryptocurrency asset, it should contain a desired quantity of that asset that represent your digital currency or cryptocurrency supply of coins or tokens. When creating a digital currency or cryptocurrency asset on Omnibasis, the number of the sub-assets, coins or tokens, that you want to create needs to be specified in the beginning. That number represents your fixed total supply of coins or tokens. In our example, we will illustrate how to create a digital currency or cryptocurrency asset with 10 million coins or tokens. Navigate to OmniLedger, select Ledger Accounts, click Create from Action menu at top right corner. 1. Select Account on Omnibasis for account type. 2. Give it name, for example, crypto token. 3. Specify opening balance. In our example, it's 10 million. Digital currency or cryptocurrency account on Omnibasis requires an opening balance. 4. Select your digital currency under Currency. Next, navigate to Details section to set up optional details. For example, you can configure fees that will be charged with every transaction in this account. Next, we will configure blockchain. Navigate to Blockchain section to configure the use of blockchain for your digital currency or cryptocurrency. 1. Select Use Blockchain Network to verify and store transactions to store all transactions in your digital currency on blockchain. 2. Optionally select your own blockchain network. By default, Omnibasis network will be used. 3. If you want to encrypt all transaction data when it is stored on blockchain, choose Encrypt Data. 4. For added security, you can add a paraphrase. It will be required anytime you want to create transaction for this account. Click Generate New Paraphrase to help you to create a random paraphrase. Write down this paraphrase. If you forget or lose it, you will not be able to complete transactions on this account. We will choose a paraphrase. We love to work with Omnibasis. Now we are ready to create new digital currency or cryptocurrency. Click Save to create new digital currency or cryptocurrency account with an initial balance. This is all, no programming required. You just created your own digital currency or cryptocurrency. Let us review our understanding of digital currency or cryptocurrency on Omnibasis. You have all the tools and technologies you need to track and manage your digital currency or cryptocurrency on Omnibasis. Navigate to OmniLedger, select Ledger Accounts to find your digital currency or cryptocurrency balance and account information. Your digital currency or cryptocurrency is stored in the Ledger Accounts, and all transactions associated with the currency will be reflected on the ledger, and if you connected your currency to the blockchain, on the blockchain. For example, when you send your digital currency token to another user, or when that user will transfer the token to someone else. If you choose to record transactions on the blockchain, all those transactions also will be stored on the blockchain. Click Blockchain Verification to see the blockchain record for the digital asset. 1. First digital currency transaction is always create. 2. Amount of digital currency is show in output under amount. Click Last Transaction to see the last blockchain transaction on the digital asset account. If you transfer some tokens to another user, the blockchain creates sub-asset and tracks all transactions related to that sub-asset with that sub-asset. You can always see all transactions for your digital currency on blockchain from detailed view of the account. Click Options drop-down and select View. Now let us talk about distribution of digital currency or cryptocurrency coins or tokens. Now that you have a digital currency or cryptocurrency account with an initial amount, you can transfer coins or tokens to an unlimited number of users. In our example, we are going to make a transfer transaction and transfer 10 tokens to a user called Tahiti. For that, we first need to make sure a user exists and then do the transfer. You can also transfer to a customer in the application without any user account. The difference is that a customer cannot access the account by logging in unless there is a user account associated with it. Navigate to OmniLedger, select Ledger Transactions and select Transfer to create a new digital currency or cryptocurrency transfer. 1. Choose the account you transfer from. In our example, it's crypto token. Click Pick to select the account you want to transfer from. 2. In Transfer From, select your account. 3. Enter, you paraphrase if any. Paraphrase provides extra security. 4. If you plan to charge any fees for the transfer, here is a place to enter it. Enter fee, % or flat fee. 5. You can override default transaction ID generated for this transfer. 6. Provide optional description which would appear on a transaction in your ledger. 7. Navigate to Details section to provide more details about this transfer. 8. Specify an exact amount of transfer. Please note, digital currency or cryptocurrency cannot be decimal. 9. Choose the user or user account to transfer to. If user or customer does not have an account in your digital currency token, it will be automatically created for that user or customer. 10. Click Pick to select the account you want to transfer from. 11. In Transfer From, select your account. 12. Enter, you paraphrase if any. Paraphrase provides extra security. 13. If you plan to charge any fees for the transfer, here is a place to enter it. Enter fee, % or flat fee. 14. You can override default transaction ID generated for this transfer. 15. Provide optional description which would appear on a transaction in your ledger. 16. Navigate to Details section to provide more details about this transfer. 17. Click Save to execute transfer. Note, with digital currency or cryptocurrency transactions, you cannot control transfer status. Once it's executed and recorded on the blockchain, it is final. If you set up your account to require a transaction approval, transfer will not be completed until the approval is received. Once the transfer is saved, you can find completed transfers in Ledger Transactions for your business ledger and User Transactions for user ledger. 1. Navigate to OmniLedger. Select Ledger Transactions to see a completed transfer. 2. Click Blockchain Verification to see the verification of this transaction. To see transactions for a user ledger, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to OmniLedger, User Ledgers, User Transactions to see a completed transfer for a user account. 2. Click Blockchain Verification to see the verification of this transaction. Click on Blockchain Verification, shows that 10 tokens were transferred. We can see all digital currency or cryptocurrency account for user or customer. If user or customer did not have a digital currency account, a new account was automatically created and the transfer amount was deposited into that account. Navigate to OmniLedger, User Ledgers. Select User Accounts to see a completed list of user accounts. Finally, we will review how to transfer digital currency or cryptocurrency between users. Users can log in your application running on Omnibasis and transfer digital currency or cryptocurrency between wallets. One user can send digital currency or cryptocurrency to another, or pay to you for products and services. To transfer digital currency or cryptocurrency to another user, you need to follow these steps. 1. Log in into your user account. 2. Navigate to your wallet on Omnibasis. 3. Specify the details of the transfer. 4. Confirm transaction. First, we need to log in into your user account on application running on Omnibasis. In our case, we just to go to admin user account, as we have deposited some tokens into an admin account. Navigate to my wallet. Select My Transactions and click Transfer from Action menu at the top right corner. Let us create a new digital currency or cryptocurrency transfer and submit it. 1. Select Account to transfer from. 2. Navigate to Details section to enter optional details. 3. Enter amount of the transfer. 4. Select a user to transfer to. 5. Provide optional description for transfer. 6. Navigate to Details section and enter optional details. 7. Enter optional description for a transfer. 8. Click Save to initiate a transfer. Once transfer is completed, users involved in this transfer will receive emails with details of the transaction. There are many more things you can do with digital currency and cryptocurrency on Omnibasis. For example, you can use it as a reward for loyalty program. You can set up a payment system between the business and avoid bank fees. You can build a mobile wallet and access account balance and do transactions right from your phone. We will cover those use cases in other videos. This concludes how to launch your digital currency or cryptocurrency on Omnibasis without writing a single line of code. Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.